You have to be careful because a toothache could mean you're having a heart attack and you still haven't noticed. I know it sounds weird, but it's true, and knowing when your heart needs help can really save your life. So nausea, left arm pain, a toothache could all be signs of a heart attack and obviously cannot be ignored. The only thing is you need to know how to recognize these symptoms before the worst happens. So in today's video, I'll reveal 6 common symptoms that indicate your heart needs help and how to reverse it before it's too late. Hey guys, Dr. Gus here, naturopath, acupuncturist, conventional doctor, and founder of drlandivar.com. In this channel is a conventional doctor treating patients through natural medicine before recurring to the use of pharmaceutical drugs. So if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and press that bell down below to see notifications and be the first one to watch a new video. If you need a line of point quality supplements for your disease, visit drlandivar.com and stay till the end of the video to check some tips and video links related to this topic. Dramatic pain in the chest is often how a heart attack is presented on TV and movies. And while this might be true, this is usually the last warning sign of a heart attack that your body is giving you before the big event. More often than not, the symptoms can start slowly and are milder, according to the American Heart Association. Heart attack symptoms usually present themselves with general discomfort, pressure on your chest, feelings of fullness, squeezing, or even pain in the central part of that same area. It might sometimes even present itself as stomach pain. So in today's video, I'll reveal 6 common symptoms that indicate your heart needs help and how to reverse this before it's too late. Number 1, jaw or toothache pain. Pain in the heart or our jaws may seem unrelated to that area of the heart, but believe it or not, it's one of the most common symptoms of a mild heart attack. Stabbing pain at the back of our necks or our jaw or even our tooth can be very particular of a heart attack, especially in women. The pain may sometimes start right here and spread down to the neck. It happens suddenly and can slowly but surely be a warning sign of a heart attack. This pain can even become worse after a workout session, so you might want to be careful if that's what you're feeling. Now, why is this? Well, you see, it's called radiated pain. And when pain radiates, what's affected are our nerves, not the heart. The pain spreads from the original point to other areas of the body, especially the jaw and the neck on the left side, meaning that the one really suffering is your heart. Now, by if any chance you have high blood pressure, for example, you might want to do something about it to solve this problem. Garlic extract helps. Strong mint tea helps. Supplements can really help. So if you need something natural and effective that can improve your heart health and at the same time high blood pressure and circulation overall, look for Heart Excel and On Cardio from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 2, stomach pain. Sometimes the pain of the heart of a heart attack is described as stomach pain, plain and simple, stomach pain. Now, this type of stomach pain usually feels more like a discomfort or a heaviness rather than something sharp and stabbing. Now, another characteristic you might want to watch out for is the fact that pain tends to do for more than a few minutes and more than other symptoms that might be associated to the heart. Sometimes chest pain, other times jaw pain, other times all 3. Very important to know this because that heart attack might not always present itself the way you think it will. Now, to keep that heart healthy, make sure that you eat healthy also. Diet is one of the most important factors for heart health and longevity in every single aspect of our lives. If you need something natural that can help you improve circulation, heart health, and longevity, look for On Cardio, Heart Excel, and Vein Flow from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 3, chest pain. We all know that chest pain is the hallmark symptom of a heart attack, although it can take many different forms, and you need to know these. Now, you have to remember that in many occasions, chest pain may not occur at all. The characteristic of chest pain of a heart attack has been described as a sense of pressure, extreme pressure on the middle of our chest, squeezing, fullness, and very intense pain that starts at the center of the chest. Now, the pain or discomfort typically lasts for more than a few minutes or may go away and then return. You need to know this because if it goes away, it's time to get yourself checked. Both women and men report chest pain as a primary symptom of a heart attack, by the way, but women more often than men are likely to see other symptoms such as nausea, jaw pain, shortness of breath, etc. Now remember, the best way to take care of your heart is diet, exercise, anti-inflammatory ingredients, supplements, vitamins. That is the best way to take care of your heart, especially more fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables have more potassium and magnesium, two of the best minerals involved in heart disease prevention, in cholesterol prevention, regulation, circulation, and more. If you need something natural that has more than 42 different fruit and vegetable extracts that can help you with antioxidant capacity, heart health, and much, much more, look for Multivitamin from Fineland, Heart Excel, and Appleizer at drlandivar.com. Number 4, nausea and vomiting. Feeling nauseous or feeling sick on your stomach is a less common symptom, but also very possible for a heart attack. Sometimes even belching or burping can accompany nausea, and some patients have described a feeling of indigestion associated with a heart attack. By the way, women are more likely than men to report these typical symptoms of a heart attack, so you might want to get and pay attention to that. Now, obviously, if you're feeling nauseated, if you're vomiting, you can also see this accompanied with other symptoms like chest pain, jaw pain, the ones I've just mentioned. Now you have to remember that the stomach is located right in front of your heart. Now this location is critical because nerves can radiate pain and things might not always seem the way they are. If you need something natural that can improve your digestion, stomach health, ulcers, and more, look for GI Balance, Probillion, and D-Enzymes from Fineland at drlandivar.com. Number 5, shortness of breath. With all the symptoms I've just gone over, it wouldn't be a surprise to see shortness of breath. And obviously, this is something also very common when you're having a heart attack. Feeling shortness of breath or gasping for air is actually a very common symptom of the heart needing help, needing more oxygen. Shortness of breath or difficulty breathing is medically known as dyspnea. Dyspnea may occur before or during the chest pain that you might be having, or might be signaling that you might or will have a heart attack if you don't pay attention. It's like your heart is asking for help before anything happens. And this is known as angina also. And if you think about it, this is something that overweight patients see all the time. The volume of fat doesn't let their heart pump blood and oxygen easily throughout the body, and it's never enough. That's why they have chest pain, angina. We usually tend to see shortness of breath in patients who need more help for high blood pressure, heart dysfunction, arrhythmias, and many other related to circulation especially. So you have to watch out for that symptom. If you have shortness of breath, you need to change your diet. You need to lower your weight. You need to do more exercise. You need to do a change in your life, because if you don't, you will see heart disease appear in no time. And help out the channel by giving us a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. If you have any questions, leave your comments down below and I'll be happy to assist you. If you need quality supplements for your disease or an online appointment, visit drlandivar.com and check out these other videos to stop information that might prevent a serious health condition in the future. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you soon.